Would you flirt with a married person?
Only if he's attractive.
No, I would not flirt with a married person. मुझे तो unmarried person से flirt नहीं हो रहा.
Ideally नहीं करना चाहिए, but if we are talking about myself, I'll definitely.
ये अपना सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट गिराने वाली बात होगी. So
I have and I have regretted it. I will not do that again.
No way.
Flirt with a married person ऐसी सिचुएशन कभी रहा नहीं यार.
Looks matter. See, I'll be very honest. Looks matter. And if कोई ऐसा hot सा है, sexy सा है, तो I don't think flirt करने में कुछ जा रहा है.
Can you tell me about it?
It used to be my dad's best friend's wife.
If they indicate that they are married and still they are flirting back, I would not hesitate to do so.
No,
Why not?
doesn't seem interesting.
They had just moved in from Bangalore and she used to come over to her house.
मतलब if you don't know the other person is married, I mean that's fine. But अगर उन्होंने सामने से convey कर दिया है कि I'm with someone, you should stop right there.
No,
Why not?
because I don't want to make my life complicated.
It happened when I was in my 12th grade and for meeting my mother and shit and just
If she is good, so I can.
Healthy flirt, maybe, but like proper flirting to, move on with that, no.
and we started talking and shit.
जो मैरिड है लड़की, जिससे मैरिड हो वो तो उसकी वाइफ हुई ना, तो माई मोरालिटी विल नॉट अलाउ दैट.
I can flirt with anybody, I swear.
And it was not a good time. But he tells my dad that your son is getting out of hand.
Maybe बात वगैरह कर लूँगा, but I won't lead that to anything another.
No boundary, nothing.
No.
You're okay to flirt.
Yeah.
My dad's friend gets to know about it.
It is not right because he is already married.
आपके कैरेक्टर पे भी बात होती है. आई वॉन्ट फ्लर्ट. मैं हंसी मजाक कर सकता हूँ बट मैं फ्लर्ट नहीं करूँगा उस पर्सन के साथ में. ये मेरी मोरल वैल्यूज़ को भी दर्शाता है.
Although I'd say I was a good flirter because I think she was enjoying it.
Compliments and healthy flirting में एक difference होता है. Compliment of course I would give you, you're nice, you're good looking.
What's a proper flirting?
Proper flirting is when you see it going somewhere. मतलब just not flirting and उससे आगे एक step.
If I would be in the woman's shoes, I wouldn't like anybody flirting with my man. So why would I do the same to any other person?
So if you are getting a good response in return, so I believe we can continue with that.
if he's already in a committed relationship, I shouldn't be flirting with him. I should back off.
Like if it's a healthy flirting, like a compliment and like a little tease, it would be like okay, but other than that, I won't.
There is something called boundaries. I wouldn't want to make my life complicated, nor would I want them to complicate their lives for a minute's fun.
Flirting is flirting. You give him a chance to go to a certain extent, which is not healthy at all.
So as long as the response is good, you should continue flirting with a married woman.
Yeah, मतलब flirting can be a very like our thing, but yeah.
If it's a friendly flirt, which like if that person is a dear friend to me, then it's just playful banter, which I wouldn't even call that flirting. So yeah, I will not.
Being in a relationship, I would be loyal to my partner, and also I would respect a married man, like also the woman who he's married to. Because women to women. So just to keep that respect, I will not cheat.